Hi everyone, what is going on? My name is Jeremy Palmer. Welcome to another episode with the Binary Destroyer 7.0. Now, I'm actually quite nervous for today's trading session. I don't know why. I think I've set myself such a high bar. Basically, as you all know from my previous video, yes, I am going to be buying a Lamborghini. So I said for my trading for June, I want to absolutely smash it. And I mean smash it. To give you an example, right? Look at today's date. Today's date is the 8th of June. So it's only 8 days into June and I've already done 106 winning trades with a 90% win ratio. So I really want to keep it into that 90% win ratio this month. Actually, I'm not going to say it, but I want to do like 500 trades with a 90% win ratio. If I can do that, that'll be phenomenal. But yes, I've took a nice little sell on GPNZD. As you can see here, it is actually slightly risky to be honest with you. We've come up to this resistance area. I just want to show you, okay, on the 1 hour chart. So you can see here, we've come to this nice little resistance area. We've got a touch there, we've got a touch there, okay? And if you start to go down to the 30 minutes, you can see how we come up to this level, nice little rejection. And again, off the 5 minutes, we rejected off this level. We've crossed over on the MACD, but we haven't actually got a Mogwai signal, which is quite risky, but you know what? I should get 5 pips out of this trade. This is what happens when you get overconfident, right? You kind of just take trades that don't quite meet the rules, which I've only got myself to blame if this trade loses. But yeah, I want to quickly show you a buy on USDJPY, right? So I took this trade last night. I posted this in the VIP group last night about 10:30. A buy trade on USDJPY off the 1 hour time frame. Basically, we went oversold on the MACD. Oh, why am I pointing at here? We went oversold on the MACD, as you can see here. We came down to a support line. We popped a couple of Mogwai arrows, and I said in today's trading session, or during the London and American session, US session, that we would rally up from this support line. And guess what? We did. I closed this trade off at something like 30 pips. I want to show you the trade now. USDJPY, where is it? USDJPY, there it is. Okay, look at that nice little rally up from there. So you can see the before where I got in, where the size is going to load. Here we go. The before, literally, look at that, literally just there. And then the after. Now, look at that beautiful buy. Now, I actually as well, believe it or not, called a sell a couple of weeks ago as well on USDJPY, as you can see there. So a nice little sell, a nice little buy. But you know what? The results for June so far with the Binary Destroyer have been insane. I mean, insane. To give you an example here, look at NZ USD, right? It's very rare that you get this, but this is a beautiful Mogwai signal with the trend. Absolutely beautiful, right? They are rare when you get one, but when you do get one, I absolutely love them, right? So to give you an example here, right? Let's just break it down. I'll just zoom in like this and I'll break it down. So where's my little chart so I can draw? Here we go. Here, right. So first of all, what are we looking for? Mogwai. Oh, my trades have just closed nicely into profit. Look at that. That's nice. Right, so MACD's gone overbought. Yes. We've come up to resistance line. Yes. We've got a Mogwai arrow. Yes. And look at the direction of the bands. They're facing down. See that? If you actually zoom out and have a look at this on the bigger picture, look at the bands facing down. This is an absolutely peach of a trade. Literally is. Now, we also had another buy there, which I believe will be at this little nice support line just there. See this nice little support? If I just move myself out the way, look at that nice little support just there. We come back down and we had a nice little buy there. That I would probably say this is a little, I mean, you would have got your 5 pips out of that trade, but I'd say that's a little bit risky only because you'd be selling here. Oh, there's my other trade closed off in profit. And now I've got one trade left open and this should drop nicely into the money. And I should be now sitting at, when is it? Where is it? Come on. 107 winning trades. Why is it dropped? Why is my win ratio dropped down to 89 point? Interesting. 107 winning trades. I might actually have a look at that one. USD CAD. Okay. GP USD. Again, nice little sell there. We haven't actually popped a Mogwai signal, but I might actually take a few more sells on this one. Let me just pop this out of the way. I'm going to absolutely stack some more trades on this one. So sell. What's this? GP Enyas. There we go. Right, there we go. I've actually took another 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 trades on this. 7 trades. Look, 7 more trades on GP NZD, right? So I'm really playing with fire here. I really am. But you know what? I want to hit June. I've got a big goal. I want to hit it. So I'm basically, what I'm doing is I'm going with the momentum here. I just want to have a look for any more setups on, let's have a look at GP CAD. GP CAD, see, apart from earlier today, there's not actually a lot happening on the currency pairs at the minute. Euro USD, let's have a look at, let me get rid of that picture. Let's do my heading now. I'll get rid of that one there. There we go. Let's have a look at Euro USD. There's not really a lot happening, to be honest. The only real sell that is happening is currently on GPNZD. There's nothing else really happening. Let's have a look at USD CAD. Again, USD CAD's done nothing really. Let's have a look on the 1 hour charts. Apart from that nice little sell at the top there, we're not really doing anything. Let's have a look at USD Chef. Again, look at USD Chef. We had a nice little buy. That was a beautiful little buy on the 1 hour charts. Let's have a look on, oh, that was the 5 minute charts actually. But you know what? There's not really a lot happening. I've only really got a few trades left open on GPNZD. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this like this. I'm going to put this like this. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to come back very, very soon once these trades close off in profit. And that should be me around 110 winning trades. So yes, my name's Jamie Palmer and I'll be back. Oh, look, here we go. Look, see, they're slowly dropping in the money. I'm going with the momentum here. So I'll pause the video and I'll be back. Ooh, I'm playing with fire here. I've actually took another 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 buys now on NZD USD. Now, basically, the reason why I've took this, okay, is we did initially pop a Mogwai arrow, okay? We went oversold on the MACD, okay, as you can see there. And we've actually come back down and actually bounced nicely off that support. See this nice little double bottom? Okay, again, I am really playing with fire in today's trading session because I'm bending a lot of rules, which I shouldn't be doing. Again, I shouldn't be doing any of this on a YouTube video because it's bad trading. But basically, this is what this will do. And this is what I say to people, right? And this is what I do when I have one-on-one webinars, is that the Buy No Destroyer is there to literally guide us, right? Show us the setups, and then we use our experience and knowledge to filter out those setups. Now, I still like this trade because it's a nice little double bottom there. As you can see here, we've also got a slight bit of diversions as well in the MACD. So the MACD and RSI is going higher. As you can see here, if you actually look here, it's going higher. So it tells me that the momentum is getting now stronger for a buy signal, okay? If we actually zoom in on this particular setup here, we've just closed above the TCA line. The TCA line has just turned green. And yeah, it's a nice little double bottom. You can see the rejection wicks on bottom. We initially did have a Mogwai arrow. So I'm pretty confident we should be able to get a few pips out of that trade, as you can see there, which is good, right? I should be able to get my 5 pips out of that, which should continue my success for June. And apart from that, not really a lot's happening. GPNZD closed nicely in profit, as you can see there. It has pushed up slightly, but we are still below that TCA line, and that TCA line has just turned red, which is good. Okay, it's fine. So yeah. Oh, GP CAD is now coming up to the overbought area on the MACD, which is interesting. We'll see what happens on that one. So a lot of currency pairs are moving at the minute. So yeah, what I'll do again is I'll pause the video and I'll come back very soon when I have an update on my current trades on, I'll bring it up like this. GP, like this, GP, NZD. So I'll pause the video and I'll be back very shortly. And there you go. That's literally all I needed. That tiny little move up there, as you can see here. Look at that. It's almost like magic, isn't it? All the experience in my head. So yes, that's today's trading session complete. Another 100% win ratio. So my current result so far is a 90% win ratio, 119 winning trades. So yes, hopefully I can, well, be nice if I can hit the 500 mark barrier. But yeah, my name is Jamie Palmer and thank you for watching The Binary Destroyer.